Greetings to one and all. Myself Priyanka Chade. There are my three groups members. One is Pratiksha Kale and another is the Pratna Uday. So today's my seminar topic is solution of radial equation for the hydrogen atom. For finding out the solution of a radial equation for the hydrogen atom, we have to consider and the Schrodinger wave equation in terms of the r coordinate system. So we have to find out for that the potential energy. For that, we have to consider a hydrogen atom in which the hydrogen atom consists of the one proton and the one electron. Here, one electron carrying a negative charge and one proton carrying a positive charge. Both the electron and proton attracted by a Coulomb force and the Now consider an Coulomb force where Coulomb force is given by F is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R square. We all know both the proton and electrons having the charge. Therefore, we can return the Coulomb force that is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught E square upon R square. Now, the electric potential energy of a electron and the proton is given by V is equals to minus E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. Here we are given equation number 1. Now we all know the we have to express it into the polar coordinates. Polar coordinates, that is the r, theta and the phi. Now we can written here the separating variable, that is psi of r, theta, phi. Here we can written as capital R of small r, capital theta of small theta and capital phi of small phi. Now we have to consider the standard radial equation in terms of the r coordinates. So we can written here the standard equation, that is 1 upon r square d by dr of r square dr divided by dr. Here capital Dr divided by small dr plus 2m upon h cut square E minus V of r minus L into L plus 1 into h cut square divided by 2m r square into r is equals to 0. Here we can given is as a equation number 2. Now we have to put here the value of the potential in that equation number 2. Then we can written as that equation is 1 upon r square d by dr of r square dr upon dr plus 2m upon h cut square. Here we have to write the value of potential, that is E minus of minus became a plus E square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r minus L plus 1 h cut square divided by 2m r square into r is equals to 0. Now we have to multiply it by 2m upon h cut square into inside the bracket. So we can write the equation it as 1 upon r square d by dr r square dr upon dr plus 2me divided by h cut square plus 2m e square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r h cut square minus 2m L into L plus 1 into h cut square divided by 2m r square h cut square into capital R equals to 0. Now some terms are cancelling here, therefore we can written as a 1 upon r square d by dr of r square dr divided by dr plus 2me divided by h cut square plus me square divided by 2 pi epsilon naught r h cut square. Here 2 get cancelled, get cancelled and h cut will be cancelled. Therefore it is L plus 1 divided by r square into capital R is equals to 0. This is we give as equation number 3. Now we have to introduce the some new variable, that is we can introduce here the rho, that is rho is equals to 2 beta r. Here we have to differentiate it with respect to small r, therefore the differentiation will d rho by dr is equals to 2 beta. This value we have to put in equation, so we can carry forward the differentiation in terms of capital R, that is dr upon small dr. We can write it as a dr upon d rho into d rho upon dr. By cancelling d rho, we get as it is the equation dr upon dr. So we can write here capital dr upon small dr. Here we have to write the value of d rho upon dr, that is dr upon d rho into 2 beta. Here we can substitute the value of d rho upon dr in that equation. Simply rearranging the equation, we can rearrange the equation like 2 beta into dr upon d rho. Now we have to multiply on the both side by the r square. That equation will look like r square into dr upon small dr. Here 2 beta r square into dr upon d rho. We all know r square dr upon dr is equals to 2 beta r square dr by d rho. Now we have to put here the value of r square from that equation. Here we can write the value of r, that is r is equals to rho upon 2 beta. So now substituting the value of r, we are substituting the value of r, that is r square dr upon dr is equals to 2 beta rho square upon 4 beta square into dr upon d rho. Now here we have to cancel the beta beta. Then we get r square dr upon dr, it is rho square upon 2 beta dr upon d rho. Now we have to again differentiate the above equation. That is differentiating above equation, that is d by dr of r square dr upon dr is equals to d upon d rho r square dr upon d rho upon dr, that is d by dr of r square dr upon dr is equals to d by d rho square divided by 2 beta dr upon d rho into 2 beta. Here we are substituting the value of r square dr upon dr from above equation number 4, and we all know the value of d rho by dr, it is the 2 beta. Here we are substituting. So from this one we are getting d by dr of r square dr upon dr is equals to d by d rho r square dr divided by d rho. Here 2 beta getting cancelled and we get the equation number 5 in terms of the rho. Now put this value in equation number 3. Therefore equation 3 becomes, the equation 3 becomes, we all know the equation number 3, that is 1 upon r square d by dr r square dr upon dr plus 2me h cut square plus these all terms. Now we have to put this value. Here we can write this value, that is 1 upon rho square 4 beta square into d by d rho of rho square dr upon d rho plus in bracket here we are written minus beta square plus 2me square 4 pi epsilon naught h cut square into 2 beta rho minus this term is as it is, that is l plus 1, and here we are substituting value, that is 4 beta square upon rho square into r is equals to 0. By rewriting the equation here, this term is in the numerator, that will be get 4 beta square upon rho square into d by d rho. This term is as it is. Here we can multiply inside the bracket, and this equation will be as it is we are written. Now divide by 4 beta square to the whole equation. So by dividing here 4 beta square will be cancelled, then we get 1 upon rho square. This term is as it is, that is d by d rho square upon dr upon d rho plus here beta square getting cancelled, that is beta square will be cancelled, we get minus 1 by 4 plus here 4 get cancelled, and here me square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught beta h cut square into rho minus l upon l plus 1 into rho. Here 4 beta getting cancelled and we get the same, that is the rho square r is equals to 0. Now we have to find out the value of these terms, so we can write it separately, it as a d by d rho square dr upon d rho. Here rho square d2r upon dr square plus 2r dr. Here we are differentiating separately to that term. Now we can written it as a rho square d2r upon d rho square plus 2r dr by d rho. Now divide by 1 upon rho square, we get 1 upon rho square d by d rho of r square dr by d rho is equals to d2r upon d rho square plus 2 by rho getting cancelled, dr upon d rho. We are finding out the value of this term, that is d2r upon d rho square plus 2 by rho dr by d rho. Now we have to substitute in equation number 6. So therefore equation number 6 is looks like, that is d2r divided by d rho square plus 2 by rho dr upon d rho plus in bracket this term as it is minus 1 divided by 4 plus we are substituting this term is as a lambda divided by rho minus L into L plus 1 divided by rho square into R is equals to 0, where where lambda is equals to m e square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught beta h square, as we can see here. So now we can rearranging the equation, that is d2r upon d rho square plus 2 divided by rho dr upon d rho plus in bracket minus lambda in bracket lambda divided by rho minus L plus 1 divided by rho square minus 1 upon 4 R is equals to 0, where L can be replaced by as the principal quantum number. As R is tending to infinity, then equation will be look like d2r divided by d rho square minus 1 by 4 rho is equals to 0. This is we called as the asymptotic solution. Now in terms of the acceptable solution, in terms of the r coordinate, we can written it as a r is equals to a e to the power minus rho divided by 2. This is the in terms of the exponential form. We have the required radial solution for the hydrogen atom is this. So this is the required equation for the hydrogen atom. Thank you.